So, Epic Games just teased Unreal Engine 6. They didn't do it at a gaming conference or anything like that. They revealed it at a Rocket League tournament in Paris. They showed a short clip of Rocket League running on the new engine, and at the end, the Unreal Engine 6 logo. That's it. That was the announcement. Although here's the thing, Rocket League still runs on Unreal Engine 3, the same engine from 2015. So I assume they're probably skipping Unreal Engine 5 and jumping straight to 6. Here's what we do know about Unreal Engine 6. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney talked about it on the Lex Fridman podcast last year. Basically, Unreal Engine 6 is going to merge two things Epic has been building separately: the normal Unreal Engine and the Unreal Engine for Fortnite editor. One unified engine. There is no release date yet for Unreal Engine 6, and Unreal Engine 5.8 is set to drop next month. So I do still think it's probably going to be like 2 years away. So don't expect anything from Unreal Engine 6 anytime soon. So Unreal Engine 6 is confirmed, and it seems like Rocket League is going to be one of the first games on it. If you want to learn how to make games in Unreal Engine, I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor. Make sure to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. There'll be a link to that in the description of the video. That will teach you the basics of the engine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!